What?
After the door.
I wonder where this goes.
This goes around a big circle, honey. You'll see. Oh, look at the bee and the hummingbird. Oh, we gotta get pictures of them, guys.
We should just get them now.
No, we can't. We're moving.
And?
Yeah, I was like cruising.
Look, guys.
There's the monkeys.
Yeah, we gotta go that way. We gotta go look at the bears and stuff too.
I just want to take
We still got some things to see here, guys. Okay.
Could you sneak in here at night?
No. Not very easy.
It's like every time they snuck into SeaWorld.
Couldn't do that either, huh?
There's a person. A Lego person.
Where?
Right there. There's a whole bunch of Lego stuff over here.
I just feel like a plant.
Oh, look. I see the Lego lawnmower.
Hey,
Oh, there's a
person.
person. Yeah, we gotta go back over here.
Flamingos. Ooh, I want to do that too. I want to see how far I can jump.
Okay.
Oh, there's Lego Buffalo.
Yeah.
You're right. Bison.
Oh, that is cool. People are talented, let me tell you. It's
A
crazy.
machine could have made those.
No, honey, people did it.
After this, do you want to sneak and see one more thing?
They have a 9-day-old zebra. And it's super cute. Wait, what is that over there?
Look,
Whoa, that's
that's
so
cool or what?
yeah.
Just for us.
Look, what's over there? It's like a big old habitat. That's outside.
Bird World, honey, we just moved from there.
Squid World?
Bird World, we just
Oh.
moved from there.
I want to go to the SeaWorld thingy that's over here too.
We went to Pachyderm, we've been there.
I wish there was a bus to our house. Or not a bus, a train to our house. Oh, I do remember now. I do.
Of all the things you remember about her being at the zoo, it's that thing.
Yep. Goats.
Do you remember that? You
Uh-huh.
remember sitting on it and getting a picture?
Mhm.
We should recreate the picture.
God, I have pictures on my phone of you guys here.
We should recreate the picture. You were little.
Maybe kindergarten or first grade. Oh, that's so cool! It'd be cool if there was a bus to our house. I mean, a train to our house, wouldn't it? I'd ride it every day.